Next we are going to discuss about turning points. What is a turning point? Like we have this curve. Suppose this is the curve. So the point where the curve is turning, when it is increasing then it is decreasing. So this is the point where it is changing its sign. This is known as the turning point. And at turning point, the point is either maximum or it is minimum. Like this is the maximum point. If the curve is like this, then this is the minimum point. So always when we have a turning point, it means the curve is having the maximum or the minimum point at that point. And how we calculate it? We calculate the gradient of the curve, put it equal to 0. From that, whatever value we are getting for the coordinates, that is our turning point. This is exercise 18.15 from the book, question number 1a part. I have the curve y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1. We have to find the turning point and we have to check whether it is maximum turning point or minimum. Okay, let us find firstly the gradient dy by dx. This is 2x minus 4. For finding the turning point, put dy by dx equal to 0. It means this 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So what I am getting from here, the value of x is 2. One thing more is turning point is also known as stationary points also. Now let us check, is this a maximum or a minimum point? How we check it? We find the double derivative for this. Double derivative means derivative ka derivative. Like I have calculated derivative here. I will again differentiate this. So it is written like this, d2y by dx square. Then what we do? One time we have done differentiation, again we will do differentiation on this. So it will be differentiation of 2x minus 4. 2x ki differentiation 2 and 4 is 0. Now this is positive number, so it is greater than 0. So how we check? If it is greater than 0, then it is minimum point. If it is less than 0, then it is maximum. It is like opposite kind. If positive, then minimum. If negative, then maximum. So it is greater than 0, it means the point, this turning point that we have calculated is minimum. Then I part is y is equal to minus x cube plus 6x square plus 3. Let us calculate dy by dx. It is minus 3x square plus 12x. So for finding turning point, put it equal to 0. What I am getting? Minus 3x common, x minus 4. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. Now let us find the double derivative d2y by dx square, means iska dobara se derivative. So it will be minus 6x plus 12. Now let us check which point is minimum and which is maximum. How we check? We will put one by one this value in the double derivative. Firstly put x is equal to 0. I am getting double derivative as 12, which is greater than 0. So it is a minimum. Then put x is equal to 4. So I am getting minus 12. Which is less than 0, so x is equal to 4. This turning point is maximum. The turning points are maximum or minimum. ये answer maximum minimum नहीं होते. They are just to check. Next, third question from the book. We have some expression for height and time of a ball. Height is given by the expression 70 minus 5t square, where t is the time. You have to find dh by dt. Like we do dy by dx. So here also we are doing dh by dt, means differentiate this expression with respect to t. So simply apply the same rule. 7t, t की differentiation 1, like x की differentiation 1 होती थी. So t is having the differentiation 1, so it will be 7 minus 5 2s are 10, 10t. So this is dh by dt. Next you want to find what is the greatest height attained by the ball. Now greatest height again means turning point. Whenever it is said find the greatest height or minimum of something, it means you have to find the turning point. So let us find turning point. Put the differentiation equal to 0. 7 minus 10t equal to 0. So from here I am getting t is equal to 7 by 10. 0.7 seconds. It is time, so it will be seconds. Now let us check क्या ये maximum है भी या नहीं. To check it is maximum or not, find double derivative. इसका डबल डेरिवेटिव 7 का 0 एंड इसका minus 10. Now it is negative less than 0. It means the turning point that we have calculated is maximum. Question number 4th is, there is the expression for population with the number of days. P is equal to d cube minus 12d square plus 45d. You have to find the highest population in 4 days. So highest population, again firstly find the turning point. dp इसका derivative with respect to days d. So this is equal to 3d square minus 12 to the 24d plus 45. Now put it equal to 0 for finding the highest population. Take 3 common, what I am getting this quadratic expression d square minus 8d plus 15 equals to 0. Now by middle term splitting I am getting the factors d minus 5, d minus 3 equal to 0. Either first factor equal to 0 or d minus 3 equal to 0. From here d is equal to 5, from here d is equal to 3. Now which one to select? हमें क्या निकालना है? Highest population. So we will find the double derivative. We will check कि कौन सी value जो है वो maximum दे रही है. That will be our answer. Now let us check the double derivative. Find d to p by dd square means double derivative. So it is equal to what? इसका double derivative, इसका again derivative. 3 to the 6d minus 24. Now put d is equal to 5. I am getting the answer as 6. When d is equal to 5, 6 5 is 30, 30 minus 24 is 6. So it is greater than 0. So this is minimum value, but we want highest, maximum. Let us check when d is equal to 3. 6 3 is 18, 18 minus 24 is minus 6, which is negative. So this is the maximum value. So we will reject this case, we will accept this. So this d is equal to 3 is our answer, right?